Hi, this is Tirumala Max YouTube channel. The video like number top 20 2-mark questions in the video from chapter 2 numbers and sequence series. Let us go to the video. Muyarchi plus Payarchi is equal to Vetri. I always say that Muyarchi and Payarchi you'll be able to get a Vetri, my dear children. So unless you have a Muyarchi and Payarchi, you will not be able to get a Vetri. இந்த தேர்வு என் வாழ்க்கையின் சிறந்த தேர்வாக இருக்கும் என்று எண்ணி ஒவ்வொரு தேர்வையும் make a habit to think that every exam will be the best of my life. The journey towards your dream has begun. So you are going to write a public examination. So that is your correct deciding part. So please make note of that and let us go to the questions. Top 10 most important 2-mark questions from chapter 2 numbers and sequences. So the first question is exercise 2.2 the third sum. That find the HCF of 252525 and 3636 and 36. So this is the first question that it is important in chapter number 2. Let us go to the question number 2. Question number 2 is exercise 2.2 fourth sum. If 13824 is equal to 2 power a into 3 power b, then find a and b. So I'll repeat once again. If 13824 is equal to 2 to the power of a into b 3b, then find a and b. Let's go to the next question. Question number 3, exercise 2.2 sixth sum. Find the LCM and HCF of 408 and 170 by applying the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Exercise 2.2 sixth sum. Find the LCM and HCF of 408 and 170 by applying the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Let us go to the next one. Question number 4, example 2.9. This is very important. Yes, 7 cross 5 cross 3 cross 2 plus 3, a composite number. Justify your answer. So next question, question number 5. Example 2.16. Find the number of integer of solutions of 3x is equal to 1 mod 15. So example 2.16. Next one, question number 6. Example 2.21. The general term of a sequence is defined as an is equal to n of n plus 3. N belongs to capital is odd. N square plus 1, n belongs to n is even. Find the 11th and 18th terms. So we need to find the 11th and 18th terms for that. So let us go to the next one. Question number 7. Exercise 2.4. அதில் ஐந்தாவது questionல find A8 and A15 whose nth term is an. So is equal to n square minus 1 by n plus 3. N is even and n belongs to capital N. And n square by 2n plus 1, where n is odd, n belongs to capital N. So let us move on to the next question is question number 8. Right, example 2.24. Write an AP whose first term is 20 and the common difference is 8. I'll repeat once again. Question number 8 is example 2.24. Write an AP whose first term is 20 and common difference is 8. Let us go to the next one. Question number 9. Example 2.25. Find the 15th, 24th and nth term of an AP given by 3, 15, 27, 39. So I once again repeat question number 9. Example 2.25. Find the 15th, 24th and nth term of an AP is given by 3, 15, 27 and 39. Then goes to question number 10. Example 2.26. Find the number of terms in the AP, that is 3, 6, 9, 12 up to 111. Question number 10, example 2.26. Find the number of terms in the AP 2, 6, 9, 12 up to 11. So next question number 11. Exercise 2.25. Fourth question. Find the 19th term of an AP minus 11, minus 15, minus 19. So for that we need to find the 19th term. So I'll repeat exercise 2.5 fourth question. Find the 19th term of an AP minus 11, minus 15 and minus 19. Let us go to the next one. Question number 12, exercise 2.5, sixth question. Find the middle term of an AP 9, 15, 21, 27, 183. I'll repeat. Exercise 3.25, sixth one is find the middle term of an AP 9, 15, 21, 27 up to 183. So this is stated to be a very important sum, and let us go to the 13th sum. So 13th sum பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளுக்கு question number 13ல 2.15 ஒன்று இருக்கு. So 2.15னா if 3 plus k 18 minus k 5k plus 1 are in AP, then find k. So I'll repeat question number 13, exercise 2.5, 15, if 3 plus k 18 minus k 5 plus k plus 1 are in AP, then find k. And I want to tell you that social science, all study materials are given in the description. You can see that link and get benefit of that. And as well as for science also, we have already uploaded a study plan and as well as a study material along with that. You can very well go through that and get benefit of that. Let us go to the question number 14. So my question number 14 is, question number 15 is example 2.32, and which is find the sum of 0.40, 0.43, next plus 0.46 plus up to 1. So that means the value you need to find to get that particular answer. So then we'll go to the next question. Question number 15. Exercise 1.4 show that the function f n belongs to n defined as f of m is equal to m square plus m plus 3 is a one-to-one function. So the one-to-one function under the proof pananum. So that we need to see that is stated to be a very important sum. Then goes to the question number 16. Find the eighth term of the AP. That is GP value is 9, 3, 1. So we need to find the GP values. Then we need to go for the next one. That is question number 17, which is in GP 729, 243, 81. To find T7, we need to find the T7, term 7 we need to find. So we need to find the term 7 for that. Then goes to the next one. Question number 18, exercise 2.7. So that one, what we have to write is 7th sum, find the 10th term of an GP whose 8th term is 768 and the common ratio is 2. So we need to find the 10th term of a GP and his 8th term is 768 and the common ratio is 2. And let us go to the question number 19, example 2.56. Find the sum of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 19 square. So we need to find the sum of 1 square plus 2 square up to 19 square. That is example 2.56. And let us go to the next question. The question number 20 is example 2.57. Find the sum of 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and up to 16 cube. So that means you need to find 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to 16 cube. So with that, I hope in the answer உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். Please subscribe to Tirumala Max YouTube channel and forward to your friends also about this channel. And before that, I would like to tell you that we have already incorporated the one which is required for your social study plan, and study material is already uploaded in my description link. You can very well go through that. And also for science also we have uploaded study plan and as well as study material is already uploaded in my video, so you may please go through that and get a benefit of that, so that you will be able to score a very good marks in your public examination, my dear children. And I wish you a very good for that to write on examination. Before that, please share, subscribe and like button and comment on that, so that I wish you all success in your exams. Keep supporting to us to get more exam updates, and till then, this is Tirula Max signing off now. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.